Hi guys, we've got a cool little upgrade for this F31. We're going to be upgrading this control unit for the iDrive. It's a little cheap thing I bought off eBay. It's just basically a cover that goes over the old existing one and looks like this. So in the box, what you get, you obviously get the control cover, screwdriver, little suction thing to take this little cap off, like that, and some extra stickers. Make sure this is stuck on properly. That's that off. Okay, the reason we took this off is because there's lights inside here and it will shine through these. If we left this on, this won't shine through the lights. Got the sticky back off here. So make sure this is straight. If you guys can see. So you don't want to bend like this or like that. You want it straight like that. So it looks a bit more professional. Push down onto it, make sure it sticks. And that's it, it's done. It's a cheap, simple upgrade. Okay, see if the light shines through daylight, so you might not be able to see it. That's it. The lights are shining through. So now I'm going to give you guys a little demonstration of it working. Okay, so scroll up, scroll down, and toggle up. As you can see, everything's working. Now that's the installation done. Simple, cheap, but looks the part.